Good morning, grade 3s and 4s. I hope you guys are having a great week. I don't have a math lesson for the grade 3s today because you just have one quick problem-solving question, but I do have one for the grade 4s. So if you're in grade 3, if you made that art project yesterday, I'd love to see how it turned out. Some of them looked really creative. Other than that, you guys can have a great day, and grade 4s, you can keep watching. So, your question today has asked you to create your own division equations using either a 2 or a 3-digit number. So I'll show you an example of what that's going to look like. So we remember how to do this, but I'll show you once more just in case. We write on our paper, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down to remind us. And we start at the top, and we always go all the way through each step. So starting with dividing, 6 fits into 7 once. Multiply, 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, 7 subtract 6 is 1. Bring down my 2. 6 fits into 12 twice. And remember, I always go in this direction. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 subtract 12 is 0. So if you had chosen a 2-digit number, yours will look like that. But then it says to check your answer using multiplication. So if 6 fits into 72 12 times, or 72 divided by 6 equals 12, then 6, our answer, oh, sorry, not our answer, our divisor. 6 times 12 should equal 72. So if you know your math facts, you'll know that that is correct. If not, you can check it this way. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry my 10. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. Correct. It works. If you want to challenge yourself a little bit, you might try to do a 3-digit number. So, sorry, 6 doesn't fit into 1, but it does fit into 11. So 6 fits into 11 once. 1 times 6 is 6. 11 subtract 6 is 5. Then I bring down my 2. Now I start, sorry, I forgot to write this. Back at the top with divide, but this is my new number I used to divide. So 6 fits into 52 how many times? You could use a multiplication reference sheet if you're not sure or can't remember. I remember that 6 times 8 is 48. So I'm going to put my 8 up here. 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. 52 subtract 48 is 4. So I have a remainder of 4. Now remainder is a little bit trickier, but it's still the same idea. So now I'm going to use multiplication to prove that by showing first that 112 divided by 6 was 18 with 4 left over. So now I'm going to multiply 18 by 6. Well, I probably don't know that off the top of my head, so I will go 18 times 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry my 10. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 4 more is 10. My answer is 108. But that's not 112. But that's still correct because if you remember, there was a remainder of 4. So if you add 108, add 4, you would end up with 112. That is how you do today's math. If that second part was confusing, stick with the easier numbers that you know how to work with. If not, challenge yourself and do a 3-digit. Have a great day. Bye.